Welcome back to Holly House Classic Car Show Part 2. I'm making Part 2 just because I missed out a few of my videos that I'd taken during my Part 1. This is a 1985 Ford Granada, a police car obviously. And please do click that thumbs up and the subscribe button and the little bell to notify you of any further videos that I make. This is a 1952 Ford Prefect owned by the same person as the Granada. A 1970 Ford Escort Mark 1. It's actually for sale. My very first car was a Ford Escort Mark 1, so I was fairly interested in this little car. The show ended very quick, very nice day. A little 1980 Porsche 911 just leaving the show there. A 1995 Jaguar XJS. Clive Sinclair's Aston V8 1980. And a 1968 DB5. Clive's got a very good idea. He doesn't charge for the show, but as you can see, as people exit, they are charging to exit the show. No, only joking. It's all done for charity, so they're collecting for charity, so I hope they did really well. And that's a little Lotus Emira first edition 2023 model. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe, it does help the channel. And please do come along in 2026 for the next show.